Gareth Lee, who was in a legal battle with a Belfast bakery over its refusal to make him a cake with a message supporting gay marriage, has had his challenge thrown out of court. Maeve McMahon reports.
It's been 7 years in the making, but this morning Europe's top human rights court tossed the so-called gay cake case in the bin. In a ruling, the European Court of Human Rights in Strasbourg said the case, which the Northern Irish gay activist Gareth Lee brought against the UK, was inadmissible. Now, just to recap the story, back in 2014, Gareth Lee went to a Christian-run bakery in Belfast. He wanted to order a cake with the slogan "Support Gay Marriage," featuring Sesame Street characters Bert and Ernie. Now, this was back when same-sex marriage was illegal in Northern Ireland. And although the bakery accepted his order and his money initially, they declined it a few days later. EU law professor Tobias Locke said that this case is particularly tricky.
Most cases that the European Court of Human Rights hears are cases where you have a violation by a state of somebody's human rights, right? But in this case, you've actually got two private parties battling out a conflict that is about freedom of religion. It's about freedom of expression.
And earlier, I also spoke to Gareth Lee's lawyer. Take a listen.
Mr. Lee has put a lot of effort, sweat and tears into this case, and I think closure in one sense is good, but nonetheless, he's disappointed. These type of cases may not end because the European Court, when not grappling with the issues, have not provided clarity, and therefore that uncertainty in the high street in Northern Ireland remains.
European law professor Tobias Locke told me, though, it was a missed opportunity for the court on a European-wide level.
I mean, let's not forget that the European Court of Human Rights decides cases on behalf of 47 states, or, that are binding, essentially, on 47 states, many of which do not have a very good human rights track record, especially when it comes to LGBT plus persons, right?
Tobias Locke there implying that if the court really wanted to, they could have found the case admissible. Maeve McMahon, Euronews, Brussels.